CQSS, K3 Romeo Alpha, K3 Radio America, SS.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo, number 509. Uniform K3RA, 58, Mike Delta Charlie.
QSL, please copy 26. Bravo, KM6, FAK, check 16. Echo Bravo.
62?
16, Sweet 16, Echo Bravo.
16, Echo Bravo, thank you.
Man,
Roger, 83.
I'm using 100 watts.
United, K3MM, 73, Mike Delta Charlie.
Welcome to the weekly show. Turkey Day is tomorrow. This past weekend was the ARRL November Sweepstakes contest. It's a big one, and I jumped in a little bit, doing a bunch of stuff around the house, but that's probably my favorite part about a contest, is it goes on for 1, sometimes 2 days, and you can kind of spend time in your shack, hop in, hop out. I'm running anywhere from 100 watts to about 500 watts. I'm on an inverted V coming off the chimney. So let's learn a little bit about this ARRL November Sweepstakes. This is to support amateur self-training in radio communications, including improving amateur operating skills, conducting technical investigations, and intercommunicating with other amateurs. Sounds about right. Stations in the US and Canada exchange information with as many other US and Canadian stations as possible. Let's not forget Hawaii and Alaska. The bands they'll be on is 160, 80, 40, 20, 15, and 10. This is a two-part contest, being the first weekend in November is the CW portion only, and then the third weekend in November is phone. All right, let's get back to the contest.
USL fans, November 5, Judah Charlie, SS. CQSS, 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 November 5, Judah Charlie, SS.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
KM6 FAK number 844 United, N563, check 79, West Texas.
QSL, please copy 24 Bravo, KM6 FAK, check 16, Echo Bravo. Again?
What was that, 18 Echo Bravo?
16, Sweet 16, Echo Bravo.
16,
QSL. Whew.
Okay, let's see, 67, sir, what was the preference? Bravo? Okay, Bravo, got it. Copy 514 multi. Check 12, Mike Delta Charlie. Zero. Bravo, what's the beginning? And Whiskey Delta 4, Bravo, Yankee Kilo, 884, 85, Bravo, 86, Yes, very good. Thank you. QRZ, KW, right in.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
November 6 with Kilo. QRZ. And 20W, you are number 881. Bravo, KW8N, check 71, Ohio. Got it, KW8N.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Kilo Mike 6, Fox Alpha Kilo, you're number 882. Bravo, KW8N, check 71, Ohio.
QSL, you are number 18, Bravo, KM6 FAK, check 16, Echo Bravo.
And that number was 18, right?
That is correct, 1-8.
George, KW8N. QSL, Norway 6 Alpha Radio Sweepstakes.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Having a kilo.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. Number 400, uniform. November 6 Alpha Radio. Jet 59, North Florida.
QSL, please copy 2121 Bravo KM6 FAK. Check 16 Echo Bravo.
Bravo, thank you.
I have yet entered a contest to try to win it. It is more all about making contacts, seeing how the antenna and the radio performs. As you'll notice, I like to experiment with the different filters, from the notch to the shift to the digital noise reduction. These are some benefits of having a newer radio. You get some of this more digital or electronic filtering. Not to say there's anything wrong with the older radios, but I have a lot of fun with this 991A. And as you just saw, I did a lot of tuning. I'm still learning. And then, of course, there's also some cool features where you can program in some CQ calling. So let's check it out. CQ November Sweeps, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. CQ November Sweeps, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. QRZ, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. QRZ, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. Bravo, KM6 FAK, check 16 Echo Bravo. Bravo, KM6 FAK, check 16 Echo Bravo. CQ November Sweeps, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. CQ November Sweeps, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Okay, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo, with number 154, Alpha, 5862, check 64, West Texas.
Okay, could you please repeat?
Your number 154, Moulton, 5862, check 64, West Texas.
Okay, QSL, thank you. Please copy 2222 Bravo KM6 FAK. Check 16 Echo Bravo.
Okay, QSL Echo Bravo, thanks. QRZ, Whiskey 5, Alpha Tango Quebec. Thank you, November 3 Radio.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
KM6 Fox Alpha Kilo, number 867 Mike, at G3R 66 Delaware.
Was that 867 Mike?
Yep.
QSL, please copy 2323 Bravo KM6 FAK. Check 16 Echo Bravo.
What was the check again? 16?
QSL 16 Sweet 16.
Thank you. November 3 Radio. CQSS, November 3 Oscar Charlie, Norway 3 Oscar Charlie.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
The Kilo Mike 6.
Yes, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo, number 698, Mike, November 3 Oscar Charlie, 73, Mike Delta Charlie.
Okay, QSL, please copy 25 Bravo KM6 FAK check 16 Echo Bravo.
Okay, is it 25 Alpha?
25 Bravo.
Okay, 25 Bravo and 16 EB.
QSL 73.
Okay, thank you. And 73, CQSS.
Hey, let's take a second and learn about this contest. The ARRL's annual November Sweepstakes is the oldest domestic contest, beginning in 1930. Sweepstakes paused during World War II, but came back stronger than ever. It's a competition between North American stations, individual teams, and clubs. For many U.S. and Canadian hams, it is their first contest operation and remains a regular event on their yearly schedule for a lifetime. The contest is somewhat unique in that each station may only be contacted once, and the number of different recognized locations, multipliers, is limited to the ARRL and RAC sections. Working all of these sections is called a clean sweep and allows the station to claim one of the coveted clean sweep coffee mugs. There are also other awards as well. I found a picture on the web of K4WI and his collection of his mugs. Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Foxtrot Alpha Kilo, something like that.
Yeah, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
AM6FAK, number 898, Mike W0NO, 99, Kansas.
What was your check again? Your check?
99, like the song.
All right, QSL, please copy 27 Bravo. KM6 FAK check 1616 Echo Bravo.
QQRZ. Thanks, Whiskey 3 India, Delta Tango.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Foxtrot Alpha Kilo, roll call.
Yes, again, Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Okay, Kilo Mike 6, 682. United Whiskey 3 India, Delta Tango, 57, Mike Delta Charlie.
Please copy 19 Bravo KM6 FAK check 16 Echo Bravo.
16.
Check 1616.
Thanks, Whiskey 3 India, Delta Tango.
Got him. With contesting, you definitely want to use some kind of logger. Of course, you could use the old pen and paper, but using a logger is a lot better, especially because a lot of these loggers have a kind of a guess, a check, reverse lookup, if you will. As you type in the call sign, it'll help you to see if that person has been contesting before. It can help you fill it out if it's hard to hear them. But what I have here on my screen, so I bring up a real simple notepad right here. This is the sequence for the contest this weekend. You're going to give your serial number. That means the amount of stations you've talked to. So the first station will be number 1, and the second station will be number 2, and it goes from there. Then B, as in your category. So I'm going to be over 150 watts. I've got an amplifier I'll be running at times. So I'm going to be a B. My call sign, and then my check, which is the last 2 digits, the year you were licensed. So that's 2016. And then my ARRL section area. N1MM is the logger I chose for this contest. I'm somewhat new to Windows. Before I was on a Mac, and I highly recommend Rumlog NG as a logging program. This here is N1MM, probably one of the better contesting loggers out there. I mean, there is definitely a lot. Recently, I've been using the Log4OM. That's this program here, but the contesting program that it has built in is just okay. And I was just reading this weekend, what you can do is you can take your N1MM and you can point right at the Log4OM. So in other words, as I log somebody, it will then jump itself into my Log4OM because what I'm doing with the log for OM is I'm keeping that as my master log. All of my QSOs will be in there. N1MM will make my Cabrillo file and export that out, in which I'll submit that to ARRL.
QRZ from Whiskey Queen 6 London, WC6L. CQ contest, Whiskey Quebec 6 London, CQ contest, WQ6L. 537 Bravo, WQ6L, 66 Santa Clara Valley. 537 Bravo.
And you can really hear the words.
CQ contest, WQ6L.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo. 538 Bravo, WQ6L. 66 Santa Clara Valley.
Santa Clara Valley. QSL, you are number 32 Bravo. KM6 FAK, check 16 Echo Bravo.
Thanks. November 9 Radio Vector.
Kilo Mike 6, Foxtrot Alpha Kilo.
KM6 Fox Alpha Kilo, 1422 Bravo, N9RB 67 Montana.
QSL, please copy 32 Bravo, KM6 FAK, check 16 Echo Bravo.
Number?
Number 16, 16.
16 Bravo is right.
Correction, 32 Bravo.
November 9 Radio Vector.
Whew. That guy needs to slow down.
Radio Delta.
That guy needs to slow down a little bit.
Oh, hi, Riley. K4ORD 1423 Bravo, N9RB 67 Montana.
So that's what contesting looks like, at least for me anyways. It doesn't matter if you make 1 contact or 2,000. Everyone out there needs you, needs your station, because the more the merrier if you're going to win. So the next time a contest comes around, get out there, throw your call, figure out what the exchange is. Your best bet is to listen for a little bit, take some notes, and then you're ready to pounce. So that's a wrap. I've got both the Logbook of the World and then QRZ. Working with the logger program, which I think is a lot of fun. So, now that the contest is over, I can get ready to send my file, as well as kind of get everyone in my log and, show them on different applications. You do not have to be an ARRL member to participate in any of their contests. For that matter, you don't even need to be a member to utilize the Logbook of the World. It's just you won't be able to finish or achieve awards until you do pay that $50 a year. But I think it's a good cause. I enjoy what the league puts out. See you next week. Every Wednesday, 7 p.m., a new show comes out. Hit that like button if you're enjoying things. And we'll see you. 7-3. Good luck in the contest.